Hello, we are back. I'm gonna show you how to save it as a GIF animation for the web. Ready? So we have our forever looping animation. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Now we're gonna go up to File. We got Save, we got Save As, we have Save for the web. Save for the web. It gives you this big nice dialog box. Okay? So as you remember, if you can see how small that baby is, that's kind of too small. If we go to the web and take a look at it, look at how small this little guy is. We want to make it a little bigger. So what we're going to do is cancel. Right now, as you remember, it's only 24 under image, 24 image size, 24 pixels. What we want to do is make it bigger. Let's make it 240 pixels. Okay? If all these three are clicked, then this will stay 240, 240. Okay, if they're not, it'll do something different. So make sure these are all clicked. 240, 240 stays at 300. This is important down here. This last dialog box, you want to make sure it's nearest neighbor, preserve hard edges. That'll make sure your squares don't get fuzzy around the corners. It'll come into play when we do our other animations, but for today you won't really see the difference. But nearest neighbor, preserve hard edges on the bottom. Click OK, and now it's going to get really big again. So let's go fit in screen, or let's go 100%. So it's going to be about this size, which is nice. So again, let's save for the web. Save for web, nice size right there. You can actually play it down here if you want to see how it's going to go. Looks like what we wanted. Okay. So if up here is important, GIF. We don't want a JPEG, these won't animate. So GIF is what we want. Then we're going to go to Save. Clickety click. Let's call it Animation 8-bit Test with another T. Okay, and make sure it says GIF at the end, not Photoshop or JPEG or PSD. Then we're going to hit Save. Let's go to our Safari, and now let's open. Where's our test? That was small. The one we're looking at now is small. The one we want to look at is test, which is a bigger and smoother and cuter. Okay? So that's how we save for the web. Make sense? Yay. Okay, bye-bye.